Hello everybody, this is Kathy Grosskreutz with Bookkeeping Clean and Simple here in Austell, Georgia near Metro Atlanta, and today's video may be a little bit longer than my normal video, but I wanted to explain an overview of this process so that it makes sense to you, and so please bear with me. It'll be worth it. So we're going to talk about the banking center again, and as you can see, I'm in Craig's Design and Landscaping. And I touched on this last week, but today I want to really talk more about the workflows when working in the banking center to make sure that you don't overlook anything and that you have a standard workflow in which you're going through. And so what I have done is I've opened this up in the banking center, and as you can see, you have this top area up here where it shows all your connected accounts, and it shows that we have the checking account listed first, savings after that, and then the MasterCard after that. And you can change the order of these by clicking on this button right here, and that will show you the list. And you can click on Reorder Accounts, and you can reorder any of these. We have a Visa account that's listed here that was connected at one time but isn't now. Obviously, it looks like they're not using this card anymore, so we'll go ahead and get rid of that. But basically, once you get the order of your accounts established in the banking center, then you're going to want to follow this order from left to right when working with these accounts. And when I get into some of the deep dives, it'll make sense because it'll have to do with some of the transferring of the monies to pay down the credit card and things like that. So it'll make sense when we get into the deep dives. But you always want to start with the leftmost listed account first, or if you have the list shortened where you just see the list, then you want to work with the topmost listed one, depending on which way you have it set up. So if you have this open, you're going to work from left to right, or if you have this shortened up so you can see more of the screen there, then you want to work from top to bottom. So either left to right or top to bottom, depending on which workflow establishment that you have set up here. Now, once you understand this concept working from left to right, then you want to go down here and you want to make sure that the order that you're working with the banking feeds that come through, you want to first work with the matched transactions or the recognized transactions. Usually you want to work with the matched transactions first, then the recognized transactions. Then once you get those taken care of, and you're going to have your statements with you as you're doing all this, because you have to make sure that there's no duplication, because sometimes if you have a break in banking feeds and things like that, then there may be some duplicate transactions in your for review register. So you want to work, again, like I said, you want to work with the matched transactions first, or any that are recognized in QuickBooks. And then after that, then you can add those that are not already added in there that haven't been matched or recognized. And then once you do all that, if you see that you have any duplicate transactions, like I said, that most normally occurs when you have a break in bank feeds and you have duplicate transactions coming in, or you may have a transaction that has been reconciled in the register already that has not been matched up, because you cannot match anything that's already been reconciled in QuickBooks. So those you may have to exclude. So we're looking at matching, adding, and excluding. So basically, that's all I wanted to cover today. And when we get into some of the deep dives later on, and you'll also want to view this video and watch the other two videos that I did some time back, and I will put those links in the comments below. Hopefully this will help you today. Thank you for watching. I would love it if you would like and subscribe to my channel, as well as share it with others. I am adding on average one video per week, including the occasional motivational video. I would love nothing more than to help you maximize your usage of QuickBooks Desktop and online. My email is below, as well as a number where you can text me for more information and to set up an initial consult. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.